look, Jake. To the right. Look.
Oh. That's interesting. You should drive by that slowly. Right by the tree.
Oh.
That's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Hey, do you want me to get my lines in? It's a big one too.
I can't get the net.
Okay.
Going around the dang boat. That's a first. Yeah. All right.
Oh, look, Jake. To the right. Look.
Oh. That's interesting. You should drive by that slowly. Drive by real slow. Let's see if I can get something.
Hurry up. They're gonna hit.
Oh, come on.
Okay, what's that in the water over there?
I see it. I know I see a duck there. I think. I'm not sure.
Okay, the wind is blowing in our face, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. All those little minnows that you were saying.
That's probably where the fish are feeding. Yeah, I'll go slow.
Yikes.
Probably should put oh look, Jake, look.
Wow.
Is that the bird that just took off?
No, I don't think so. That bird's all the way over. Oh, maybe.
Where'd it go?
All the way over there.
There's another one in the water over there.
Oh.
Stop.
Jeez.
There's those logs in the water.
No, it was a bird.
The big one just jumped out of the water.
They're everywhere.
We never seen this the whole time. Maybe you'll catch one.
Oh, I wish. I hope.
Striper, probably. They're in here. I've caught them.
I wonder if I should have a jig head on. There's bass jumping everywhere today. Right by the tree.
Oh, you got a snag.
There's something. That's either a stick.
It's a stick. I seen
it. First catch with this new rod. It's a freaking stick on a curly tail. Well, at least I got that out of the way and can't get snagged on it anymore. Look how big the dang thing is. Get off my line. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to pull it off now. Wow. Bye. Okay, so the rod is strong enough to pull in a big stick. That's a good sign. That's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Hey, do you want me to get my lines in?
He's up. Big old catfish.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, on the shiner.
Was it?
Emerald shiner. Oh yeah, we finally caught. It's getting us soaked. Finally caught something nice today. Got him. He's unhooked now. Okay, it's not a bad catfish. Let's get him out. As long as I touch him once.
Huh?
That means he's landed. Gotta get him off. Got my hand wet. Nice. Hey. Huh? I can screenshot it later. All right. Nice big old catfish. Probably about 18 inches. In the water. Oh my gosh, everything's happening at once. Here, I'll get red. Ooh.
I'm getting hit on this
Here,
one.
give me the red.
Snap it if you have to.
It's good. Okay.
I'm still getting hit.
Right across from the church. Wonder what it is. Bluegill.
Big one too.
Nice. I'm getting hit too. Big old bluegill.
That's a big one.
Yes.
Did you break everything up?
No. Good.
It's a big one too.
I can't get the net. Here, I'm gonna crawl behind you. Nice. Wonder what that thing is.
I don't know. He's coming. He's right there. He's gonna get my other line.
Ooh.
Okay.
Going around the dang boat. That's a first.
Yeah, well, he's hooked on the back of the...
Trolling motor.
Yes. I can't get it undone.
Uh-oh. Maybe let your drag out. I don't know. Yeah, we gotta get him unstuck.
He's under this mode. He's under this mode.
Still on?
Yep, he's on, but he's hooked under this mode.
Let's pull up the motor. That's the only thing we can do at this point.
I don't know how to do it.
Here. Wonder if we can swap spots without causing an issue.
Yeah, he's definitely...
I know how to. If we keep rolling that thing in, it's done. Let's even out the weight of the boat. I'll stand on this side if you want to go on the left. I'll get myself back here. Oh, please don't snap the line. Okay. There should be a... Yep, right here. Hold on.
He's hooked on the...
I see how it's hooked.
It must not be very big. It would have snapped the line already.
Unless you got him hooked really good. Here, hold on. You know what? I got the fish. Well, it was a catfish. We'll consider that a win. Okay, there. You just need a hook now. He touched the boat, he was landed.
missed it on the first try.
Left. Good. Yeah, start going to the right just a little bit. Yeah, stay right there. Stay right there. Pull up just a tad. Right there. All right, we're out of here.